We're out here on 14 Oak Street in Statesboro, Georgia at the Hubie Law Firm. We're going to be attempting a repairability test to prove that these shingles above this shingle right here are too brittle to withstand the repairs and the motion of those repairs in order to fix that one shingle. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by unadhering this tar strip on these shingles with not just me, but my flat bar, which is made to do this. So we're not using any improper tools or anything. We're gonna do everything by the book here for y'all today. And when you're looking for these shingles, you want to find that seam right there. So this is the end of the shingle. We're going to be going 1, 2, 3 tabs. So we need to unadhere everything above that in order to access those nails that have these shingles fastened into place. Doing everything we can right now to be super careful because these shingles are about to fall apart as I'm just getting that tar strip. That's the shape these things are in up here. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3. We need to get this one too, just to get to those last nails. All right, so that's the first shingle above. We're gonna also have to do these ones right here. Well, get to these nails first. As you can see, these granules are almost gone off this shingle. And as we scrape that tar strip underneath, the last bit of granules are falling off the top, just from that very subtle motion. This one, we gotta get this last one on that shingle. And I'm being as careful as I can, but a roofing crew that's doing all these repairs at once, you know, they're not always this gentle and easy with the shingles. As you can see, just that very gentle scraping has caused damage to the shingle we're going to be removing today. Now we got to get up to these shingles here, fasten this down. As you can see, we're trying to keep this shingle below a 90-degree angle in order to do this the right way. Yeah, you think you can hold these nails for me? I'm never finding that one. And now this shingle has one more nail in it up here. So we gotta get this tar strip on these shingles one row above this row in order to completely release this shingle from the roof. Still being as careful as we can. This shingle right here is getting filled up with these granules falling off of these shingles. We're removing. Yeah. All right, so now this shingle should be completely undone and able to slide out freely. There you have it. One shingle. We're gonna just stick this right here for now. And we will be replacing it with a new 3-tap shingle, which is in good condition. Probably be the newest shingle, best shingle on this whole roof for the time being. And in order to get this in, we have to put it back in place where that other shingle was. So we're gonna have to slide it up underneath here. Get it nice and straight. All right. And now we gotta replace these nails we're using here. May have to do 1 or 2 of our own since we dropped one. We just got this hammer and we can't even use it. All right, just the hard way, I reckon. So we're gonna go right back in here on the edge of the shingle. Try and keep these shingles at a good angle here without beating them with this hammer when we're trying to hit the nail in.
I think all the granules are gone now.
Yeah, they're coming on. All right. Got that one in. Now we gotta get up here on this row. We still got our nail holes up here, so we're just gonna try and return it right back where it was in order to keep any potential leaks from starting. So we're gonna put a couple of our own just to keep this new shingle extra secure up there. Don't want it, that shingle or any of these shingles above that we just tampered with, to now be able to slip off, be pulled off by any light winds, being these 3-tap shingles that they are. especially with the age and degranulation on these shingles. Any new storms are likely to further damage these shingles above, past what we already did today in that repair process. As you can see, the shingles have now lost a significant amount of granulation on the tops right here. There's hardly any left. On my pitch hopper, you can see before all of what I've wiped off, the amount of degranulation that just happened from that repair process. You can see there's a ton of granules there. So we're gonna tack these 2 more nails in just to provide a little extra security on this shingle. All right, so that completes that shingle repair. As you can see, we've got some new granule loss at the top there, as well as on these shingles here, there. So 2 rows above, 2 new shingles have been damaged just so we could fix this one new shingle here. The amount of granule loss is pretty significant there. In that valley, you can see, as well as on my pitch hopper. If we were gonna attempt to do this to the whole entire roof up here, we'd be just causing a very increased amount of damage. Nobody's gonna come up and do it as carefully as we are in these videos, so just keep that in mind too, that was the best repair that this roof is gonna get from a crew. So see the new damage, see the repair, see the evidence. It's time to make a decision.